Welcome to the Daddy Faraday Show. Today, as you see, are two little guys who we already reviewed, right?
Yep.
And you see, today we have Pinkie. We're gonna review.
That's right. We've got My Little Pony Pop, which is Pinkie Pie, all disassembled. And what we are going to do is we get to take her out and put her back together and see how she looks. And
So I'm gonna open it.
okay, you open it.
Okay.
Hello Kitty is from one of our other surprise egg episodes, and they wanted to be with us today. So here they are.
As you see, if you don't like this, that's terrible. Because I really like this. I really like.
You're pretty excited about opening that. You're doing a good job. This will be the beginning of our first collection. We hope to get all of the different My Little Ponies and maybe even create some funky fusions by putting the wrong ponies together.
Yeah, like it has on the back.
Yeah, like maybe get Pinkie Pie and give her Twilight Sparkle's hair or Rainbow Dash's hair. There are lots of different things you could do, huh?
Here,
you want me to try?
You do the rest. As you see, I hated being in that chocolate little egg. Didn't you? Oh, yeah. As you see, we have some Spider-Man ones, just like we said we would do, and we did.
So here's the body. It's in two pieces, and we have to get it out of here and snap it together.
So, let's see.
I think that this is her tail.
Can you get these
And
out?
her head does not want to come out.
That's not her head, that's her hair.
It's her hair. That's what I meant. And there is her hair, her beautiful mane.
And just so you know, can you please get this out?
Okay. Said right on the box, an adult has to take it out. Oh, that's snapping out pretty easy, actually. I was afraid there would be little nubs, but it's coming off nice and clean. There's your first half of Pinkie Pie. This might be a short video today. This is going to be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Here.
Okay, can you put her together?
Yes. There she is.
That was super easy. How old are you?
5.5.
5.5, and you just put that together by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. You want to put her hair on?
Sure.
By the way, I love your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt.
Thank you.
Isn't that the coolest thing? They have a pink Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt.
I'm Pinkie. I need my skirt. Here's the skirt. I mean tail.
Oh, we almost forgot the stickers.
Yeah, sure.
Do you have her tail on?
Nope.
You work on the tail and I'll get the stickers out.
Okay. I need the box.
You need the box? Why?
So that I know what kind of stickers. Because I want to do the stickers on the box.
Well, there's lots of different stickers here, and I think you just put them wherever you want.
No, I don't want to. I don't know.
That's exactly how it looks. That's just kind of creative, though, I think.
Okay. So where's the book? There's the book.
One suggestion I would make, there are little holes. Let me show the audience. So can we zoom in close on Pinkie Pie here? She looks very nice. I'm quite surprised that there aren't really obvious seams where she snapped together. She's nice and smooth. Her hair came on nicely. It was very easy, but it looks Just like something you would buy. It doesn't look like a cheap little snap together type toy at all. And her legs. The one thing is that on each side, on the middle of her back here, she seems to have a little hole. But that's going to be an easy fix, because what we're going to do is we're going to put a sticker over the hole on each side, right?
Yeah.
And then nobody will know. So here, you put the stickers how you want them. Oh, a little bow in her hair. Very nice. So what was your favorite show that you watched today?
The Gracie and Mommy Show.
The Gracie and Mommy Show, our inspiration. We love the Gracie and Mommy Show. Also DCTC, we got to give them a shout out as well. We really appreciate all the inspiration. It's because of you guys that we are doing this, and we hope to do many more and get much better at it than we are right now. But we're having fun anyway, so it's okay.
Yeah, I need the cupcake.
By the way, what do you think of our brown tablecloth that we're trying today? It almost matches our couch perfectly. It's a nice brown. I feel like I'm swimming in chocolate right now. Are we in a chocolate pool?
In a melted chocolate pool?
Nom, nom, nom. How many more stickers do you want?
No. Well, how much there is on the box?
Oh, you got to put some on her feet?
No, I'm not done yet.
I've never seen you concentrate so hard on doing exactly like the picture. Don't you usually like to do it your own way?
Yep, I want to do it as the picture. I don't know how, so I'm just going to do it as the pictures.
Okay. Well, that's a good way to do it. We will show you the finished product when she is done.
I am a little pony.
Okay, so we're back. We've got all of our stickers on our My Little Pony, and we are ready to show off our work.
And so I copied off this.
She copied off the picture on the box, which I've never seen her do before. She usually likes to do it her own way, but it looks quite nice, I think. And as you can see, she put a nice sticker right over the little hole that I had showed you, and you don't even know it's there, though. It looks like a beautiful toy.
Hey guys, can you let me go wherever I want now?
Ella is leaving, apparently.
Guys?
Pinkie Pie, what are you doing? Pinkie Pie, you're not in the shot anymore. This is a show about you. Come back. Don't you want to show everybody your tattoos? Do you at least want to come say goodbye to everybody?
No. More video.
Oh, Pinkie Pie, it's not a good video if you're way back there.
Okay, listen.
You're too tiny.
Ah! I know I'm pink, but I don't like pink.
You don't like pink?
No.
Well, what color do you like?
I don't like any color.
You like gray?
I don't like it.
Well, I think you look very pretty as pink.
I don't like pink. I know I'm pink, but I don't like pink.
Ella likes pink. She has pink hair tie, pink Teenage Ninja Turtle shirt on. She loves pink. I love pink. Your name is Pink. Pinkie
No.
Pie. You're leaving? Please comment below if you like the video. We would love to hear if you think our Pinkie Pie is beautiful, and if you'd like to see us do the rest of the collection or do some fusions. Which combinations would you like to see? Would you like to see like Applejack with Twilight Sparkle's hair? What would your favorite combination be? Give us a vote and we'll think about doing your version. And we are going to say goodbye and good night, and we will do so by singing the pajama song.
What is the pajama song?
Pajamas are cool.
Pajamas,
Pajamas are cool, but you cannot wear pajamas to school. Good night, everybody.